the finest men in our catch you in a man. Yet also so hitting Yankopon as a send day so the Achemino me. Yet Yasi me radi, you won't sway you may radi. Mami Checha, a Jumaya 4. As somebody mabo madia come nyuma so upon. Naminchia, Yanomosu Asambre. Afian Saboro Juma. Monsu Asambre Mobo Juma song at the boa or Macro Krogana. A pure mantem. And a folk man. Taxi driver, trotro driver, who tear me. Michecha Munina Mama Kwaba. Monsua Mopam Adie. Ade Pamfo. Monsua Muyeti. Ajuma Bia Wuye Bia. Memo Kwaba at the bar, the most exciting, entertaining, educative, informative. Drive time so. Wait and a Ghana Fanana baby Abba Fabia Sambre Obieti. A Okuman Drive. Okuman Akwaba Drive. Ain't you Sambre dear baby Abba Pie? Ni baby Abba Kwakosha. Baby a Sambre Kwako Butu. Now we take us a fidie. I'm found Nemo and Nije. I walk as a fidie in the I don't know Sambre Midi be Kenya. I don't know Sambre Midi be Shawde. I don't know Sambre Midi be people when you are seeing you. It's an say, my said, dear. So we are who is me more energy. And my said, yes, Sambre will be a castle me more abemo bua. Make us send me a beshe crying. You're from an aquam, probably me from the finest and men in our culture in me. Mammy faster I can send for my Victor in the Akulisto. Samson Aside do her and command Nana or damn me. Afe DJ Tonzi, DJ Zigibi, Omunyina Tamechi, and I'm in the safest drive in the heart of the capital, Ebro. Nabushawu Tiemia, sports team no, Eba pass it through. Time with the grammarian. Oh no, Obamadian fa Adiana, no Acheni botanical name. And for road safety tidbit and so drive alive. And so you had the baby count home. Now no damn me I better say. Nene or the Sambre a council Jojo tidbit no or the Abomadian the Adomoye. But meantime, dear, it is time for me to serve you with all that I have today. And today is Tuesday. And ne abena and a kwabena for that. Me mamunina a kwabo. Welcome. Where's the Lord? Aquaba on la rive. Welcome. Where's the Lord? Aquaba on la rive.
Oh, come on, the Jenny, the Kramuche. 97.1 FM is rocking. Oh, yeah, blazing. Oh, yeah, Mata, Papa. Hey, what's in your 97.1 FM is rocking. Oh, yeah, blazing. Make sure, let me go for me. Madame Monsa, Maye, Suti, hey, oh yeah, me botenti, Michani, me Bacobia, Pire, oh baby, chat, Madame Monsa, Maye, Suti, oh, come on, radio, yes, baby, Sana, yes, Suti, oh yeah. Oh yeah, Madame Papa. Hey, what's in your oh yeah, me potency. Oh yeah, me chanty big bang of ya. Oh baby, check Madame Musa. Oh yeah, Puma Radio 97.1. Me chanty big bang of ya. Oh baby, shit, Madame Musa, Naye, Susie. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
We must say, I want some food, Wabra, Naka Christo, Asafu,
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Come on, move on.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. What FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Jesus, everyone wants to be over your son. I want no, Jesus, Jesus. Sure, Jesus, the desire.
are blazing.
Hallelujah, hallelujah.
On Kuma Radio 97.1.
Jesus, Jesus. Hey, you want to be a
My radio. We are blazing. We are blazing. My radio 97.1.
Hey, hey, hey.
Kuma Radio. Yes, baby.
On my wall, so one more.
Kuma Radio.
No, no more. Oh, yeah. At night, I'll soon get back to more female. Pretty and man, oh, she give a man. I can see.
We are blazing.
Don't be really warm. Oh,
We are blazing. We are blessed. My radio, 97.1. I want to Jesus say, I can never did all, it's in no, but I can do more. Oh, no, it's in no, Jesus. Oh, my radio. It's no, my God, Jesus. We are blazing. Akropoma Kapim on Kuma Radio 97.1. On Kuma Radio 97.1. On Kuma Radio. My radio 97.1. I don't know Kuma Radio 97.1. Akropoma Kapim on Kuma Radio 97.1. rocking. We are blazing. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio, 97.1. Hey. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. is rocking. We are blazing.
Yes, Coco, Yami, your one way.
Oh, come on, you.
Yami, your one way.
You cry me. We are blazing.
Yes, Coco, Yami, your one way. Yes, Coco, Yami, your one way. I say, one come here, and come up, and come out, come and say you. I say, one come here,
oh, come my radio.
One come in, come and say you.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. We are blazing.
Kawakuma tu yema, Yesu bebro, na rewo suku mususu. mama muse. Eradia ya wakasi. Ebramida ya suni bemuno. Wanna catch me say, who are you? And never say how are you? Say me da ya suna bemuno.
We are blazing.
Anyone come here, come for me, I don't know. Why you don't know free my drum? I bear my view. I bear my view. I am soon, I bear my view. I bear my view. I bear my view.
Okuma Radio.
I bear my view. I am soon, I bear my view.
We are blazing.
I bear my view. I bear my view. I am soon, I bear my view. I bear my view. I bear my view. I bear my view. I am soon, I bear my view.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Everybody ya sunu bemuno. Okana mamenu se. Everybody ya mekasi. Kredi apa ya mekasi. Everybody ya sunu bemuno. Okana mamenu se. Everybody ya mekasi yo. Kredi apa ya mekasi. Abemwelio. 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 Ida ya sunu abemwelio.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma ini, Yedieni, Yekramuche. Okuma Kapim. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, Yeti, baby. We are blazing.
Yeah.
blazing. Radio 97.1. We are blazing.
It's exactly 46 after 3. Na ene in crasha sama medi maono a life favors the struggle. Chie, life favors the struggle. This is what I believe in. I believe in God the Father Almighty, creator of heaven and earth. I believe in Jesus Christ, his only Son, our Lord, who was conceived by the Holy Spirit and born of the Virgin Mary. He suffered under Pontius Pilate, was crucified, died, and was buried. He descended to hell. The third day he rose again from the dead. He ascended to heaven and is seated at the right hand of God the Father Almighty. From there, he will come to judge the living and the dead. I believe in the Holy Spirit, the Holy Catholic Church, the communion of saints, and the forgiveness of sin, and the resurrection of the body, and the life everlasting. Amen.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
And I want to come and in I have a testimony. A testimony.
I'll tell the world my story of what you have done.
Akwe na mau, akwe na mau, akwe na mau, akwe na mau. And I say God is good all the time. The one who struggles is the one who will win. The one who struggles is the one who will win. Life favors the struggle. If our children don't struggle, they won't get to where we are today. Word by Pastor Mensa Otabel. Se enne minu mienu Yamfa ohaw abanihunu abebrese kodanda bi mu a. Yentimi ni Awurade ho adanse. Na ewiabre yi minim baabi a obutu. Ana minim baabi asambre wote a wutie kasafidie yi. Asemi a me no chebia asama asambre wo wi abompa yegu so. Life favors the struggle. The one who struggle is the one who wins. The one who struggle is the one who wins. If our children don't struggle, they won't get to where we are. Say yema antimi amama de anyire omo akwanua sanyina so adesua no mu usua suma no mu ko ade bia ye sacrificial job omo anye bia mfa mo ma braba abuja wujeri so metimi adu bia yedu enti awiabre bia wo bia ne ne awutie mi bia ema ne nya wo se wonko na wo bre ema ne nya wo se wonko na oha kodanna amanihunu abahweo ema ne nya wo se wonko na sambre abrabo ye yi tukyire ema ne nya wo se sambre wonko na wo kamu wani ento bia nim. Whatever be the problem, whatever be the situation, life favors the struggle. Ena yebre echina yebetimi adi ye echina sambre yedi ye echina yebetimi abre kakra esani so bra kwantuo no enne pa bebre wom obra kwantuo no oha bebre wom obra kwantuo na sambre yetui asotwi bebre wom obra kwantuo aye boy ensensem bebre timi twa ya namo esesa wo kai si yasu minti mirminyame asamre wada ni dunsuo si kwan finfini bu abrefo aye bia fu Nyankopon asamre oyo chaso nyame ochama ni so bia so dada nyame asamre empempem twere ne nso na basambu da biara da otonyoku otonyojo Nyankopon asamre osi enhuru a ena ehuru osi empu a ena asamre epu oh kasa life favors the struggle. Bible no kra me ati ase se osoro ahemamu yekoho abranso wutimi encheche wo ho emmoamoa wo zigaza me pe heaven akọ heaven yekono abranso eni bere so ahoden so enti me paibo awiabre ene se anamon bia wutu akwanhwe bia anasa samre amanehunu bia asem bia ato wo kwan so no fasida me Awurade na bompai se Awurade be hye woden no watimi across it over. Esari said there is no situation as somebody it is beyond God or how be anyone who must sing asafu Yehowa baby biara samre ebeto wabrabo wonim se entimi nkun onim se samre entimi nsewo onim se samre wo gidie wonimu a enyi wo tokyere da nemo it's a matter of time. Life favors the struggle. The one who struggles is the one who wins. Hallelujah. And me na me se mebo akwabo anwum bi. Esa ni sakwabo anwum no me bo modi agimre na me tie anwum no mu nsem. Na nea anwum no ka ne se yete asi yewu anasa samre yenka atiasefo ho a dada na enne yenka atiasefo no aduane a yedi ya yededa ese aduane na be wo yenem entisika ya pagu wo edan asamre yasisi agu wo kasa ya toto ni nyina no ubonso ampa yewu ene yeja ti enwum wei na fa hye wo ho nkrai.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Within the Equiaca School, Mandela Market, I want to be a watching. That's true, but no size. Okuma for my the papa, me fell. Okuma for my man here, be woo. I walk for my Jenina, Mumone, your mamma, you my pass, and then the palm of the above man. Yes, you cram Mia Case, Okuma, I saw quite more into Bal, Obla Papa.
My radio, 97.1.
I done swamp. I didn't know the pay and out. Uncle,
My radio.
There we are.
My radio, 97.1.
Musica Wanyantino, and as an Awunya Wanyanti, on Fanny Panya, she was Sassiso. And so, what yes, Awunya Diamupo, now tell me, Kewo, and then some answer, that also an amonsia, that was my enina. What does a Libyan Sassiswa, or to me, dear, who dear, but it's some quiet dark, sick a penny any brain. And then
I radio, 97.1.
Then Mama and I then I guess send me up. No nipang the trebi, but I want to any answer many movie more. Nipa ya cremuko, Sikaya, ya cremuko, Amunya Denina, ya cremuko, Nancy and Fan Coffee, I have a dear baby.
My radio, 97.1.
Ya cremuko, Nancy and Fan Coffee, ya cremuko, ya cremuko.
And this is one of my all-time favorite from Akwabua Junior Yekremu. And you know, me futusem, and you know, title ye me futusem. Or say yetiasi. Yenya bomodia. Eda yen saben kumusupa. Ejapadia ni yenya ni kura no yen fancy yen aduane a yedi a yede da ye no se aduane na ene yede ko donzi o kan asem enti watimi wakame menko na mepese me yeye menko na mepese me koso menko na mepese yetimi din enfo ankosi ba bia
what's the front seat.
Event body, a big casa. Want you, Dodona. Century desire, ya boy, Joe. Mamusa, Guyonamia, what you see? Century desire, ya boy, Joe. Mamusa, Guyonamia, what you see? Century desire, me boy a show. Yesu, our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thy in the kingdom, the power and the glory, forever and ever. Yeah. Shout a very big amen wherever that you are. Want you to kakre Adiboniche.
You're a miracle worker.
Ampo.
You're a destiny
changer. Century desire, Yaboya Joe, Mamusa, Uyo Nyamia, what do you say? Century disapaya. Ya boya cho. Mama who say, we yo nyamia. What you say? And it's exactly 59 after 3, and it's time for me to turn things around. Abushia, this is the most safest, the most accepted drive time in the whole Ghana, baby. Abefabia Ghana for some partner. What can I say? Ani awoya ne yape. Ni okuma for a year 3 to 6 no ye ni jo. Ampani ampa sani ampani ampani ni ane ampa yogurt margot omu nyina ya bushia ba ko aba ne sare. This is how I turn things around.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, yes, baby. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. And 7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio. FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Where I catch a girl for club.
Okuma Radio, yes, baby.
My heart jump like a cat over a wall. For this girl, I go die, oh. That is below, oh. Sugar.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
You walk among with the mafia, Maba Montana.
When you're my coon, I go share baby phone. Oh, too much, yeah. Okuma Mutafi, Tafio, Unini Sufi, Heidi Machio, Unini Sio, Haminu, Unimediami, Hamidio, when you're Badabadaba, I come for you, yes, you're dirty.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Jojo Kotuo. Yes, Yamwe. Yes, Yamwe. Unini Cinderella. Cinderella. Unini Cinderella. Cinderella. Oh, you should learn me you are with her. Cinderella. Unini Sadaku Abako. When the girl tell me say, and she do love me, oh, yeah.
Performance Club him on Kuma Radio 97.1.
I love you too, baby. I love you all. I go fall in for picking for you all. I go fall in for picking with you all. So don't worry, baby.
Don't worry, oh.
Mad for you, sweetie. Mad for you, oh. Mad for you, sweetie. Mad for you, oh.
You are my Julie.
You are my Romeo.
You are my Julie.
You are my Romeo.
You are my Julie.
You are my Romeo.
Unini Cinderella.
On Kuma Radio 97.1.
Cinderella.
On Kuma Radio. On Kuma Radio. On Kuma Radio. On Kuma Radio 97.1.
Unini Dachio.
Performance Club him on Kuma Radio 97.1.
Unini Dachio.
Performance Club him on Kuma Radio 97.1. On Kuma Radio 97.1. On Kuma Radio.
And I'll be done.
I'm so tall again.
To my waterfront. Dear whatever. Dear on your man. Dear on your man. I can't mean it, sir. I was a job from an 84. I can't want it, sir. I don't mind it, Benjamin. Oh, don't try. Baby, who don't try?
On Kuma Radio 97.1.
Baby, who don't try? Oh, don't try. Baby, who don't try? City.
Oh, they are teacher.
Hey, City.
Oh, they are into me.
City.
Oh, they are teacher.
Hey, City.
Oh, they are into me.
Asamaji.
Oh, they are chanting me. Oh, they are teacher.
Asamaji.
Oh, they are teacher.
On Kuma Radio 97.1.
Adia open me and so shinya all of that. Adia open me and so shinya all of that. That was so correct. Ignorance all I need. That was so correct. Ignorance all I need.
I really want to tell you, girl.
Anna, Mina Wakua. Mina Wakua. And you need me. Oh, don't buy me. Oh, don't buy me. Because I drop Roma. Because I drop Roma.
On Kuma Radio 97.1. On Kuma Radio.
I don't mind the bad Jimmy. 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 I don't mind the bad Jimmy.
Oh, my commandant wife, why wanna come destroy my life? Oh, my commandant wife, why wanna come destroy my life? Every day is fighting the forcing, every day is forcing the fighting, every day is fighting the forcing, every day is forcing the fighting. Them young gun, them young gun,
On Kuma Radio 97.1.
Yeja kase okumai afakwa chumori eto bar to bu afafa Abraham mane kase mamu strength ba amamfo ofuru okumai radio mo ye champion mate okumai fo ma man gan yo kenya kra ma se da bia mini mu ba bro kra na ko elu na tfo se so bia ni tie mo ni size wate okumai fo ma man gan yo kenya kra ma se da bia ni size wate
my radio.
Don't try. Baby, who don't try?
Abraham Maneka said, Mommy's joint back. I'm out for a kufu road. Okumai ready. Oh, my champion. Okuma from my man, can you cry? Must say that minimum have rock cry, not for you and I do. There's no BMT. When the size was,
I'll focus on you.
On my radio, 97.1.
Such you.
On my radio. On my radio, 97.1.
My friend of my soul, although you Hana, only baby, she's Hana, only baby, she's I'll look at such a roma. Go such a roma. Such
We are blazing. On my radio, 97.1.
I'm for meeting the Reverend Benji, Niche Okuman FM 97.1. If we Columbus, Ohio, or USA, Okuman, we are too awesome.
On my radio, 97.1.
Sir Dennis ni Wakoma 97.1 Ofrinti French a owe chirichiri so frɛ no a enche Wakoma radio ba ko pɛ
We are blazing. Hey, station with your man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. On my radio 97.1. On my radio.
Kenya cry, must say baby, who is size was
Midiani Abrabo, Baba, Okuma Radio, a radio, Udu Radio to Benyaso, attending Abinaso Paso. It's less of beer fan radio and Panto, Okuma 97.1 radio.
You are woman, what the movie out, Maba Montana.
On my radio 97.1. On my radio 97.1.
Abushia Samre is a Zali 14 after 4. Na entia menya enesa ugbomadian kopiemu Manfini Road neswa. Accident bi esipa wo ho Samre ene etan. Enti mami mamodiya na mintu atu ahoma 1 2 correspondent bi wo ho na menene nkasa samre oje bibi aboko de
bibi aboko nana
na samre adie pa na esi wo manfitwamfo ni kakra fa kire
okay eti awati fo nyina na ne yati wa ne ani yenyan papa taxi driver bi ono ofa mofra kuko eti wakofa mofra na odo ofi mampo river na ofro before no ever pro Everflow before no. Now come maybe all you overtaking. And I want to see a taxi no. I'm a taxi no ni ase mo fa na wo ni na club.
Hey!
Na what one ko what to do.
Enkwala ni nyina what taxi ni mo collapse.
Oba kokora to mo kasa. Adiania tietcha ni ade enye easy.
Wow.
Wo be show ha.
Wow. Bomodian na fa taxi number ni tudwa. Taxi number no fa ma me na Camry no so registered and now unregistered.
My member taxi no man ma
okay.
Yempa, you see a police phone abisi mo asisi
okay.
Yes sir.
Ejino na yesra wo si esi wa info porting oje.
Mbato esi wo we. Yes, me report mbato.
Yes sir. Right. Oje. Oje.
Boss, yes sir.
Koso kasa yetie wo say kana mane yan.
It is a no. Never na me the kind of man to just here.
Okay.
Neba.
Okay.
Mo fa there what one ko hospital.
Okay. Okay. Enti sesi ankwala yi koi na car no me pe car na ma no anytime ade no e share da see time ben na asem we nyina see ye.
Asem ni see there at make market to there 5 minutes.
5 minutes ni wo hu. Na ehin property na samre wo gyina ya asem ni see ye. Everflow ni wan baby omo jiji susu na
Everflow man fi top wo baby a ufu open na ko ofisio one sound no no
na chese Everflow baby omo jiji susu no watra Y junction so no
oho pepe na isi
wow na chese wo kira omo ba you like pap
yeah
okay an accident yes me pa cho taxi ni number no ehun hia pa fama yen
me pato ma me ko na me pa taxi no ma
all right na awofo a mutie ye wo akirichiri baby awo bi a wutie ye bia no ye besre say taxi taxi driver bi efa wo ma efi school e de omo ba fie na onyam bedu ya fana mane mami
yeah ba me wo polisi ni na ma de no man na me de no man na tuja na tie ko nsia
oje yani tell mami nesrewa okay Abuja enti samre akwanhia asi ewo manfe menu kasa ide Camry ana taxi eni echira adi ahia mu a enkwala ya kwofo mo afi school mesi bro nya abeso aniema sore pa o enti yenyina yenya hwe pa bro nya abeso a na ase bonsam so nani asbre papa oje
yes sir
wo wa homa no so to say taxi number no ye den
taxi number no ye
GS
5657 09
5657 09
yeah 09 yeah
GS 5657 09
yeah
and I Camry no so registered ana
no one register
e color ben
unregistered ash color yeah
e Camry Sports ni bia na say Camry Spider no okay Spider. Right engineer Camry Spider ash one
yes
right na car no taxi no so ne color e den
taxi no the color yellow and green yeah yellow and blue
Wunim car mu kakra enti car be wo hwe car be
yeah
oje me wo so mu distract o kakra but car be Nissan Amara ibi wo hu
yo
oh okay all right oje meda wasepa se wabomode ama etiefu adofo etie okoma 97.1 radio abomode hu so ne esi se isi ayeda asepa Okay.
You do what you want to mama Fiatu.
Yeah, that's it. I wish you a OJ. I want Manfi Equapem. And I will tell somebody on my report. At the far accident to be a SC. I want Manfi Equapem. Enti a driver for a movie a cropon. I'm on each and crying. And answer monochrome in impotem. Most were moving crying ever. Yaba says abotre sopa. Mama yen slow down. Na bronya du say ya. Na yen sembebre. Bronya dua. Na yen sembebre. Enti mesra awofo mamu tie me. Na woni mu say wo eye driver bi ofa wo ma. Car no eye yellow. Yellow. I say yellow and green. Na kana mani GS 5657 GS 5657 09 and Samray Camry nso ya ash unregistered and abusha me no ka say enya akwanhia kese etimasra enti ya yenya ne kira yesen kwala no kra na ebi ekon ene omonsa ebi so me no kasa kura de omo kasa kura the boy asemo asempa se bronya ba se ya na ya homete me se kura fam na me de te ayro ho pa ya ba sre bronya bedu se ya na ya ye boko me de se anka sabio obi bentimi emfa na kwanhia mbehia wo eno wo ho but anka menya obia nye boko ahweye yen ayekuta eye kai yen ayetwi moto yen nyina ahweye because bronya beso a sabio obi pressure no de abesi obi de na dane asem foforo the boy me mo akwa
na me jesu binia
na bi aboko de
Oyagopon da Roma
me wira ho papa in fact unze na me di asa o studio no mu kakra na asem we ba ya pe asem adwodwu bio
unze ba na sa no a sabio
amama kai mensem
that's right ada ya adwuma yi no ye mfa emotion in my studio akete me nkasa kura
David
say na wo ka no Udu Mandela Market enim ho a ya ye zebra crossing ho
yes
da no na papa bi na e kire driver ni bi say zebra crossing ho nko nanim kakra enne speed bi a bamuda honum speed bi a car bi di overtaking
wow
e wo ho kwame ye ka se bronya aba moja hwegu obonsam mejira ka akwan no mpija ka no ntontwene
David da
ndi wo tena ka no ko tena sia na chi no hu se wo betun afa wo so aba ba me mfa wo so
emma
nsi aha e besre I think say mo fra no
yasin kwala ni nyina nkasa
yes because boys na yam kwa mofa taxi caravan but me go check out say
enye said ni omo kire ndi enko side
oh David because you on fa ho
on fa ho
but yeah
nyame man paro ka say bibisa abeto enti no ebusia ye de ni nyina si na mo na me kai wa ne say ahweye ene Tuesday nyampa kira Wednesday ekirachi Thursday when you be about on Friday also and kakra Sunday you be on the 11th on the 12th hey agro na just Wednesday so be that be on the 18th be that be
on the 18th be me there be na otwe
Saturday
there
be on the 18th be Friday check it
and Saturday
oh okay
I got 19 unze 19 na me bo afore na we kura na se enti me yes ape me fi ase chamberlain
watch and now me unze we takre me papa
oh yeah bokwa me unze me da manfo nyina ase bubi amekoma na bibia na opportunity
wow
yeah eno na you say asoro no will get to that extent
okay
asoro no should be able to abandon feeling no and the next person the next stop no should be the church the say they be attack asoro me attack asoro
say abandon feeling
oh yeah unze nka abandon feeling no
wo na woka
you me say ka abandon unze obi agiteti say nema nko ye ni sa nema no o te ase ba nema nko ye de be ameka say youth fellowship ye nko no parliament ye nko na asoro mu aha
anyway, grammarian
original,
grammarian
international,
grammarian
Concord,
grammarian boom and that the na o de ba
Asankamuli. You are grammatized quotalistic fractious. I just say.
Wait, my encyclopedia and I'm home.
That's the better on what to say. Yeah. Fractious, no fractious. Just on what to say. Yeah. And then I want to chocolize Ajadu. Yeah, not just say. Yeah, I want to chocolize him.
Okay.
And then I want to chocolize mangrove. Yeah, mangrove.
Mr. Foley.
Mr. Foley. Yeah. Richard Foley to syncopate all the workers at mangrove.
All right.
And then repertoire.
Repertoire. Now, I say.
Sir, ori aba for akọ nkoko na ba. Aba betu ye.
Da be.
O so aba.
Say me nim so etu kwa.
So say say no ni o.
Kawasem.
No so no ama.
Kawasem.
Nti repertoire na je say aba betu ye.
O de kawasem.
E na kwa aba. Kwame Matiami Duli. We are Gangantwine, the animalistic kingdom. No, still we are in it.
Okay,
we are swimming and then diving into the animalia kingdom.
Wow!
And today,
I just say, see, you go so what a more domani.
Yeah.
It's a more ding any omu botanical.
Yeah,
and our
we are the feminine and then. Masculine.
That's just a member.
Yeah.
And okay.
Yeah. You are not grandizing. You are grandizing.
Then you may encyclopedia and
topographically, you are becoming mouses.
Maybe a mouse. And there's no my air crack.
And no, and no, Ubeka. Why a fro empress be a Hobeka?
Ah, was Percy. And then I'm very Percy.
Yeah.
Hey, I dey we chire.
Prosan we chire. Nsobeto. Who's the crab was your friend Nsobeto? It is Nsobeto and can we no.
Nana who space no.
Yeah.
And then I'm very space.
Yeah.
I
want to have a spark with you.
You want to
I don't know dana say.
I'm not this person.
Mirror, sir. Motor mirror no. Yeah, and I want to have a sim. That's
okay,
yeah, then Thanksgiving.
Yeah, that's mirror. Now the space here.
Kwame. Camel. Camel. You me be beer sa sister. Oh. Good. Na no ne ba no so SOW. And I bet me say she. And na bema no boa.
Okay.
BOR.
Right.
BOAR. No sister no. No. Ana ye what camel. Camel fu pongo no. Ono no ba no ye cow. Ana bema no bull. What you say? Ana ye what cat.
Okay.
Cat ye ajamwe ya na oba no queen. Yeah, oba no queen. Ana bema no ye Tom. TOM. Tom, I don't know. And chimpanzee. I'm not for kind of chimpanzee. And yet chimpanzee. Okay, the chimpanzee. I just say, okay, chimpanzee. Oh no. And in the pound back on there. I don't know. You to work on ha. Your friend gift empress.
Empress gift you.
Now chimpanzee no about your empress.
Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee no about Abano.
And you didn't pose. I used to empress.
Why?
And I'm a magba.
Hey, and if you are winning, Monkanjo, if you are winning, it will show when you grand and say, I say, okay. And I'm a great shower, empress. Why? And the chimpanzee never a empress. And a beman a black back. It's what the BB Biano, BB na chichemuye. It's a BB so don't probably ho BB.
Okay, Papa Tuntum.
Tuntum, yeah, black back. And no, yeah, chimpanzee, Nebema, and a old duck, doko, duck, and duck no, a obano, a hen, itching ya. Anna, unze, one more WWE, no, about your friend Drake. How only one thing, Papa, no, double, no, Nebema, Bema, your friend Drake. Anna, your horse, a pongo. Na pongo no obano me
pongo no
pongo ba me
pongo ba
MARE
ena
me
What's the Ponko body your friend saying?
Mare. M-A-R-A.
And I can't say.
Mare. Yes. Anna Dam. D-A-M.
Okay.
Now go the E. No, as was Damia.
Grammarian.
Original.
Grammarian.
International.
Grammarian.
Concord.
Fuck off.
Anna. No, Nebano. And the Bermano. Unze yo. Rambo. Rambo no.
Rambo style.
Rambo no. Your friend is Sylvester Stallone.
Stallone.
Yeah, now Stallone no. Eye Opongo ne Bema. Opongo Bema di. Yeah. Obano eye me and Adam. And now Obama no ye Stallone. And Stallone. Into your Rambo na. Ni dine de Sylvester Stallone. No what day. Sepongo. And this is where I free stop myself. All
right.
Yes.
Me that say Gabriel said ne.
Original.
Wabama di abetire yeah.
Let me bend to my wife. Yes.
Okay.
I want to bend to my wife.
Uchia.
Yeah.
And chia is different from chia. Uchia.
On the twa me to be in channel tuano.
What the tuano? Now the BB to be a said
I don't know.
Unquano,
Ubunza, which will be a booza.
Everything's your booza.
Bentois. So I want to Bentois, my wife, and then I want to Bentois, all of them. They're my hometown people. I want to Christmas carry them.
Hey.
I want to Christmas carry.
All right,
yeah. And then I want to Bentois, latte people, and then Ejedu. And then mangrove, and then Bapa's cuisine. I'm Bentoir, everybody.
Yeah.
That
was grammarian time with the grammarian. A church and you may be any so. Radio say, Moano, Omomani, Omomema. Botanical names to out is a Samuel Jemo, dear Gua, dear my Bako. I was here. Jimadi and it was one of Sabaminko Chamin Wabro from Namim me ba. I was Yaniaka with Trina Dosso. Straight to the mountains once again, home and away. The Mega Love Feast is live at Ejadu's Bar once again. Abushia on the 26th December. Yenina the Yenichre Ejadu's Bar. Ewa Himbrum. The first ever the Mega Love Feast and live band night. Ebasuo Ejadu's Bar.
Hey, Miniana, what's the day?
On the 26th December, home and away. The Mega Love Feast and live band night. Ebasuo Ejadu's Bar. Wa Himbrum. Ekopani Kapem.
Wow.
Time 5 p.m. Date near 26 December. Bra, Nani, Okuma Radio, Ejuma your phone, presenters, any DJs, it's all about the Love Feast. Ebaso Wahim Boom, Ejadu's Bar. Love Feast 2021 on the 26 December. Ejadu's Bar. Wow, feel.
Hey, wait a minute, I'm very mad. What did that?
Kayo, said you made a free and juicy cabia. Eti Kachobi, no Binsun Kanchobi, Him Boom, a Honum Ejadu's Bar, a one only did the first ever Love Feast and live band night, bro. Pay a pinso.
Okuma Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Sugar, my baby. Oh, my baby. 97.1.
Sugar, my baby. Oh, my baby. I'm ready to do it. I'm ready to do it. Feel you to patch up. Feel you to patch up. Sugar, my baby.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Feel you to patch up. Feel you to patch up. Shut down the DSR. So no way, one day you go me was it. Nana me, you shut me both and me na yama. Shut down you ninja ya brand say jai na pesa ho na kan ho. Shut down so do me your just shut down me ama. Shut what dia do.
Abrama maneka say, Mom's joint back up. I'm out for a kufu. Okuma ready. Oh, my champion, what? Okuma from my bank, Kenya cry, must say, baby. Minimum hard rock cry, no poor you and a Jew. There should be a museum. When it's size was.
Your deputy frost, me or day in day out to be a radio Ronada, Okuma Radio 97.1. To Miss Sam will be a funny than to an Nimapa or Emma.
Okay, up in mind, one with this year, I be local, Captain retired back up here. Nana Jen and Rebel Brother Shea. Okuma Radio, they have come to stay. On my team, Mantem when you now was so call out Mantem, and so they almost significant for cry. For radio, they to Okuma Radio, Netsie and the Pania Poniaco, what I say.
Okuman, KK Vision, you can never. Okuman, Dinia, Okuman, 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 KK Vision, Okuman, you can
Assalamu alaikum, Akuma Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, Monfo Premi Yaro, Munti Okuma Radio da Edasi.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio.
Nana Jua Ekropon, DBMT Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, Okuji on mine. Okuma Radio, Eju Ekwapi mine. DBT 97.1. Okuma.
Okuma Radio. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, yes, baby. Okuma Radio, Okuma Radio, Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Nana Jua Ekropon, DBMT Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, Okuji on mine. Okuma Radio, Eju Ekwapi mine. DBT 97.1. Okuma.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, Okuma Radio, Okuma Radio 97.1.
Nana Jua Ekropon, DBMT Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, Okuji on mine. Okuma Radio, Eju Ekwapi mine. DBT 97.1. Okuma.
97.1.
And it's a Zari 40 after 4. Yeah, radio just got better with me, Nana Kwame Peru, but me from the finest. And remember, you know, catch you me. Hey, taxi driver, trotro driver. And it's somebody, I get the 4 muti me. Mom was so many. Na Otenidango. Sabi be abako, dear. Na mi jama mo akrade, akoso mo. Anko si anuma papam. Afe aprade enkosi ebri enko jankama na yamoma de champion asefo nyina oyarefa hacho agbogba na mijia yanoma mo ayasambre East Legon Madina afe Apollonia for etisay oyibi sasa bidodowa atiso Big Sammy Rowe wotodowa so ho ya de afe koforidi aye bobo wo tom na mi cha koforidi afidi asefo nyina mamu osu hyen mo asamre mu wo aye beto mu Morovia sabre mamu wo aye koforidi Order State atesai mi cheche mu nyina B Foster for no mi che mu nyina wo hobusu dance ya tukrom obum mi cheche mu nyina bisamsam wo tesai baby adu idi abusha eya na nipa nkwa ehunhia papa if you don't know you for know na ewiabrei accident checherecha abomadia kopiemu ewo manfe no eya asefempa menya videos kakra eya irohwo papa wo nkwa lankete wo eni mo hwe ewurade maunsaso ida sa wo nkwala ye nkasa mi aka 3 days pe na nkwala ye amakwan 3 days pe na nkwala ye amakwan driver ko form da enne de hwene asi mami chia manfi police for mi checha manfi police for nyina wo ho ene koro baby police in cancer na mi chia police for our division ene mo asamre mo wa kropon ha nyina mami chia police for our edukrom amanfrom omo wo so manya afe aburi mampon mi checha mu nyina bisa se etesen afe emranti asamre omo wo petrol team no omo na mkuti edukrom ka no police for na mo ye petrol team aye police for no mi checha mo wate samo ye de dampare ma Abahima nana odamia okoma hima samre watenase bibia boko de amedeshe
finance bibia boko na me akasa amaboto
waboto me who pictures me see afempa seriously amama kai ma asem 2 weeks ago enti no me hwesa ne a media me firi mu fi sei abibiansi na enkwalai ene obai asumdwe na me hwesa ne a wenu mu apira omo nkasai de enyame na ene road safety ambassador edema ekwapem
the finest
na die na wo edema yen
ene no
o microphone o doje na ase obi person mo case na
my opportunity amama ye isa
zani awo ye dia asa o so eve da ako
the finest ene no yaka cars ho nsem bebre enti ene ye befa motor line
okay enti omo use motor no the boy nom
minya ya anko wa ha because ono eno hye da aka motor enti onim senia
that's right
ho asem esipate na ende the finest senia ye pinpoint car akwanhia niama edeba no ene enso ye beche ade a etumi ma moto akwanhia esi na I think say enda ya edi enim no so ye de hu sunsanso ebeba ene eniama ubetumi aya ube prevent say uye moto obi a woka motor obe prevent accident cause motor for na kasa me kakas won asem obi say na mo nka motor for won asem cause to da bi o mo kra no mo cause
accident no obi ti motor so on share helmet on share reflector motor ye chire light kra so eno aso de prum sa
enti anano ye o motor for so na ene no ye kasa se wudi lane mu a wo ye motor kani na lane di lane mu enya afi na aseka bi menti asa wo ya branch wo be hwe na obi eti aso afiechi enti wani be ba ho so no pan na akofa asamaba bi kra na won so won hye helmet na che se wuti e ba be pai ana se bibi
we dia menkai abusuafo yawo ye no monsa entena moto so
dabi
ye no monsa entena moto so kampo wo 4 tires kura ye no monsa emfa ntwi enti no how much more motor ewo enan mienu pe wo ko no monsa motor ye se bicycle mimi sha no na me pe bicycle sempa enti no nyame adom minya bi twiye because ye to bi maami e ma mi twiya ma mi du pepe so bi mi anam se mi ntwi bio aside that no motor mempe madam fu bi awuko ye friend kantinka na anopa awi anwumre nka wo hu me pe obehu no ne ye wo mu ne se mene no station ba ko bi ane ye wo na station no wo motor ni ye ni ka enti ye ko ba bi a ono no agi ne hu so ye rider no na mahuri atere motor na chi ena one day yes ye ko baby na baby ye ko pie mu no se mini pa balance nyame nko a ena me hwiri fi moto yi so ya ho
we yanka
na me se me fiti eneko moto me wie so tena ena se na say the boy ma me ride mienu na say the boy and from ewura mani mienu we yi kura me ntere chi bio we wo lasa no wanya me unya me bio enti moto won ehun sem no yes madam fu bi ye be yi no on the 17th on the 18th on the 19th your friend honorable Kofi Manu akoto dodo na anim no ye adwuma kwa Imperial Bank or your former assemblyman de ma okugwa about couple of weeks ni ena onya motor accident ewo eye enkran ofi achimota wa driving motor ya wa ride ya bedu achimota trailer bi si baabi enene ye keka so de kodwere mu motor enye no pe mi madam fu bi mi di motor e kwaji mi ki aba e ko wi akire na mampo ni Kofodua Roman akofa bebre enti motor ni de yesra mu fu bi a watwi motor for so many years ye careful na ohihye no tena motor so a unhu so no mpo na etwam yi because reflector obehye bi helmet obehye wahye eye den ni boot se leg boot o se den boot ni nyina ohye enti motor sensem ne de ene omu hia futuo pa because say say na say o da sani not motor so no yi gajo no yi keche
enye easy say the kwan da so kra de ne waku no enti the finest eno a na eguso ayeken na me de say waka ba konso oye obi a woka motor car no yoka car kro timu ni ye ka che ne say ensa ehu ehia no na nka mpese wo a
utwi
motor so ensa ma
ukotwa bi twi motor
enya wadanfo kra enti no hu nsa kra yiwani na twem because emfa de papa bi amba na car ani motoka ade ba ko eyi wo muntem speeding nso ya ade a etumi de akwanhyi aba enti ye be sese wonso uka motor ye srew kwan no ebi mmeka ho na ebi so nte se ukọ normal level of speed a ubedu wo hu enti ye be sese mamu fa hwinhwim sa no edu sometime a wuti motor so untumi breki ube hu a obi ka na odi apem ana se odi be pem ni pampo ana po wankasa akra no ube fi so akwakoto for mama bibi ayo
for fraba
ina fe so ye be se munam traffic esi na se cars ne bo pay so a munim se aya sa time no na ya nipa enso etwem e cross road no call the other side enti munam mu a ye be se mbama mani ada ho na mun family katu enfem bebre me kai se traffic BCS na motoru no so oni akọ ka moto no wa ma nani anda ho ma obi a o twem akọ the other side epem no epem no enso ko nim say traffic die ejina vehicles ni eyi ni na ejina nani na say bibi bepem no enso no akọpem no enti the finest eniama ne de doso basani ayaka no ye befa no nkakra
enti no wuni helmet a entwimoto ena moto nso enom nsa nkotwi eno ni asem and the road safety bit aye dey ma that's right
speeding no so that's so na fe ensa no enhwekra yeah that's
the
finest so china so
what the for ebeba and now ba asman kanfo ene benenso why is too sweet what there enti nyampa zigi fatono so kakra thank you all right me da say nana odamia say wabomadi adi road safety bit na dia bre I wish your baba ko odam memedumu and I'll say so Obama the boy koko e dia fa ye no ma ye twumoto no ho na abushia esane se asama aba no ye ni di akiro koma ye hwe ye kasa ede ma okuapementi no ma me san kwa ahoma no so na oje e ma me update e won kwala no situation sane yeti oje
nana
sesi a mu kopie mu won hospital be no ma kopie mu
sesi a yo tete kwasi
mu won okay na die na asi
yeah sesi a no mo fra no tu na won koma won maye
wow
na won waka na prepra eni enyampa obehwe nipa ebu to a o mu egeti ni na obi akomo at me ba na me ye wura me de police ni ko inside
wow na chance say ankwala no wo kira mienu school ben wo hwe school uniform ankwala yi share school ben
school uniform ni won yi ni na ti se da
school okay na chance ankwala wo hwe me mfia hin na samri asemu ya to omu
enkwala na de wo show a 6 years 6 years a ko 12 years yes mufra
ena mufra mienu ekokoma ena mienu so me pro mo hin ne omo hin
mo prepra obako ani atwa obako wode ade ahye ne nan wode ade ahye ne nan
baako ani atu
baako nani atwa
nani achi na atwa
na baako so wode ade ahye ne nan no
ade ne nan ni mu abu
yeah ne nan ni wutu mu abu na wode ade na ahye ne nan
eya semo Ayasem.
Any young papa, it's market, Jama. We, I'm for mine, I'm no crew, and I'm 50 because taxi offer you a man for what you are, what for man thing. So I just I'm no
Abushia, Yabasra Samre, Woba Akoskuna, by this time on Bedu Fia. Kana Mano, GS 565709 Oni Ash Camry Spider ena samide enya kwanhye e wo manfi akaka krabi no wadu yi pap no ena samide accident esiye enti baby awo bia na samide wo ba ko school na taxi driver okofa no onya mbedu ye ana se wunua ba ma bi ekuta sa car den so ade akire na ni okita Camry Spider no so hwe anya no
onu kwa de wode na sie onu ye hulu wa akra ye
we for the na sie
onu we am say wode na ko another
hospital okay
yeah okay onu no oni ha
na onu no wanyi ana se oye akwala na opani
oye young boy ya
okay
boy ya wo wonya ska no akotoka driving crowd wotia ye
edabi eno de wo ka me no nya adwen dabi obi anya ska woni opeso de ni sika ye enti yesel eno de atwesan ebia wonya ska wo de be ware ono so de wo de be toka so aja say
but you know what you are driving now is perfect
okay yo Martin oje me da se pa right me da se alright abuja ladies and gentlemen nana
The finest.
Mel's already out. And then so many handkerchief for animal paper. Just a tissue need be watching now what the paper because serious issue near the gross I know. Sa kwala school aba. Waja wo ba kwan. Na unfortunately no when do fear you call ya see wakokoma akwala nkasa
na the serious say anu uja oba kwan aka obetinemu no na wa hwe
me na say won ni ame ye me ankasa me de omko na me ankasa masa de omaba ayire so a ye wo penifo bi di mpani bi achi nche ba ne sa na wadane amomo because ebia me time no na favor me etine mama mpanyini no but akwanhia de obi etimi to no irrespective of experience we driving mu we experience we wiase wanyi so accident etimi to obi a ahweiye ene yenyina yesre because enkwala ya asemi de ene de oh ka me ka asemi be ye me ko adon nsuo mu ma me nsuo no why. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, without wasting my time, I'm Mama the Uncle Diabua from Kratom, Ramikojin Kraton, remember the action lights right here. Yeah, the sports update, EBP also. I'll be right back.
Achawajo enkrofo yeti miamo ni mama de besi bitan na no maka chama me say krachi
ada wo yo hoho akwapem ha wonti Ajapa ye construction and general merchant in Kana eba quarry block 5 inches and another 6 inches eba sand block 5 inches and another 6 inches sana hollow block 5 inches and another 6 inches tie sa wo pe abo e de asidan sa wo pe anya e de asidan sa wo pe nsuo e de akọ side another binding wires eba building materials dia wontimi nka Ajapa ye construction and general merchant wonta esa ne say omo enemo discount ewo ade bia wo beto bia wo ma so cement kura de enkoho water cement nu anansa miensa kura ye de bekwa koja free delivery wo betimi afra Ajapa ye ewo 0244 719814 0244 719814 eba iron rods abo wo pe anwea ewo rhino mu ana tipa mu eba kwawi na wo pe ewo track mu anansa tipa mu a ni nyina ye supply nyina bi wo pe stone ewo kia mu ni nyina ye de bebrɛw Ajapa ye ewo dew akwapem wo bendel filling station no ubetimi afrom e 0244 719814 0244 719814 kayo sawo ya party engagement aye anase de biara wo ye bia wo hia live band Ajapa ye san wo live band na omo be hu nyom amo feel te Ajapa ye live band na ubeti ne de yie abushia ubetimi afre e 0244 719814 Ajapa ye ana
adansi 4 ne contractor for adam for
money
Straight to the mountains once again, home and away. The Mega Love Feast is live at Ejadu's Bar once again. Abushia on the 26th December. Yenina the Yenichre Ejadu's Bar. Ewa Himbrum. Eye the first ever. The Mega Love Feast and Live and Night. Ebasuwo Ejadu's Bar.
Hey, Miniana, what's the day?
On the 26th December, home and away. The Mega Love Feast and Live and Night. Ebasuwo Ejadu's Bar. Wa Himbrum. Ekopone Kapem.
Wow.
Time at 5 p.m. Date in 26 December. Bra, Nani, Okuma Radio, Ejuma your phone, presenters, any DJs, Yina Yenshemo. It's all about the Love Feast, Ebaso Wahimbrum, Ejadus Bar. Love Feast 2021 on the 26 December. Our Ejadus Bar. Wow, feel.
Hey, wait a minute, I'm very mad. What did that?
Kayo, said you made a free. Yandusi Kebia. Eti Kachobi, no Bisun Kanchobi, Eya Himbrum, a honor Ejadus Bar. And one only did the first ever Love Feast and Live Band Night, bro. Ebeye Pinso.
When peace like a river.
Honey, me we abusumi anani o. Ese se me san kwa adwuma. Na bom school papa be so me ben mama me. Ne metumi akoya adwuma asumdwe mu e na me dwen hu o.
Me do, ade wonti Peace Montessori in Ghana. Omoji nkwala 54 man, crèche, KG, primary 1 ekosi primary 5. Peace Montessori ewo accessible location. Wasanso wo world secure compound. Asanso wo school bus asambre baby abofra no wo bia wo ba befa no e de na ko school anopa. Excellent tuition and care there. Wonti mi omo wodamu befua.
Peace Montessori say enye one wo hostel junction hostel achi ho no ehode ne amate kra ne say wohwe mufra ye na teacher ba ko fa mufra 12 mekire mufra dumiempe
sa pepepe Peace Montessori ewo ekropon ekwapem so opese woni omo kasa ewo ahomatrofo so a ananse uji nchemu bi a frɛ number si 05058292661 and 0200177676 and 0279267523 Peace Montessori ana
wadom mufra keke
Peace Montessori ana
one teacher 12 students.
Happy people.
Honey, ready my basa power. Just a word in a canon, saped baby, who friends and your dream for just MC Cransum Bassa, Bino Catcher, Mama Maya Bassa, Miunium.
Middle Kawakuma to Yem, many happy entertainment light and sound system. New live pub and restaurant at Dinkomodada. Wedding, funeral, float, and answer parties are Hudwa. Omutimishi Shejumediation Kumania Kono, a bass sound system, lighting, canopy, in Komwa any tables are over the Josopo.
Chese, one and that will be a very imagine a
warning, Eba stage Ukradia, Wabema station, and one happy entertainment light and sound system. You like pub and restaurants, so why a crowd say, in Yanni Papa and in Papa, whatever at the amount, Woman Fia Crapim, Omo Bay Everflow from 0245 042 594 and 0540 790012. Happy entertainment light and sound system. And you like pub and restaurant. Omobema wedding no ayekiko. Yasa ni ano komata ni yewose.
Oh, I want my mediachi.
Happy people.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is another one from the can.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Hey, station radio man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Na Erekua Spade de Osi the finest. Spade de I see you. And to you man like a jadu. A jadu ba kopa. Shake the bow. Michao baby awobia. One chameleon. And to all the ghetto youth baby amushebia michechi amo. Love it to the mass. Hey, black aware. I'll say I day. Say baby about call here. Oh. Want you. Mama, Odisha, don't forget to don't come. Don't forget to don't come. Oh. And right here is the sports team. Amaya crowd is somebody the latest and update in the world of sports every day.
Oh, the finest.
When I say also me check over na any mom to say one mom to say
nyamia drum yaba first 11 here can be yes you can be
selection there e kai say ana any jepa na aba na kwa say bi ebu boy sa na
aso hye beba papa
we mi ama say ja we nya bongo shoe
we only baby anaska o ma iska bi say encho na killer dey on the
stampede originally killer CCD. Kakra me de ma no.
Oh, that be first can I share me son. Some say they share me son can me.
What dey ya wonya yi sa?
Yeah, say that top buy. Okay. This is the two ye.
A guy for
$150 what the top baba na. Then $50.
And okay, we will move. Yeah, Kakra, we
top baba za na.
$100 na me last time $600.
Yeah, something. Now 15 is under.
What
the top baba?
Babu e show na ase ne.
See from be 3 sini. Sa. And you see from na just say.
Okay.
Any Ghana say o so champ baba be not common in Ghana.
Many adofo bi be kasa. No mfa megu baby. Small boy.
And I don't walk around.
What's crack about crowd voice so
where and also let's walk to back.
All right, me da say mama mfa the latest and update in the world of sports Emerald na Sam Radio a good year hene and na motis.
Well, you have good year 70 so Jubedi and so from my unity for 2 of Yasani Yana and watch Ribiana Biasono to Yakon Cabidino the writer commentator yes AK nationwide. Okay, I don't know about producer. And the also yes, give me when take an associate by your son center for free. I have former general secretary, Hermabo coordinator for folk, Unipsan and Setemo and a house of folk, any Bobo Quadini JL Shara during time. So I'm a house of folk Elusu by 4 goes to 0. And a former general secretary, Hermas of folk and national chapter committee, Randini Mr. Maxwell Asabi Papeni Kuma Kradia Basa, hey, Montomwase, Randini Samobody Friday do Kroma, Mama imagine Sabodom Sabeke Cano, and Sabe Munjano, Papa no Yedman Edmano, Crofubu on Mamaya Brigobruguman to Samobodu, Munjan Edmano, Ombonekama. And yes, I shall say, yes, Mr. Sabi, okay,
this experience, you will learn something out of. Every coach is as good as the materials available to him. There are a few coaches are ultimately transform players. Frank Lutal, Ernst Menendo. These are coaches who can transform players from nowhere to Germany. You see, but there are certain players, certain coaches, you give them time and they can. Nobody should blame this performance on the coach. It is recruitment. Those who knew that we would definitely go to Africa and play in Africa. Yes, symbolic recruitment way. They are the ones who should point fingers at and not the coach.
You hear symbolic and Mr. Maxwell Sabrina outside to get you know, House of 4 players, you know, proud and arrogant.
Pride, arrogance, share a hand time, and they kill House of 4. Pride, any hand time, and then they kill House of Folk. I'm telling you, people must be prepared to come low and deal with their supporters. High horse no baby omoteno, high horse hono, baby omoteno brofa kese no mokaino. Supporters in Tiasia. And you do football, succeed with the supporters. That arrogance, pride. Yan kamasem, ukamasem umradie, yan criticize me, criticize me what did you matem. that sort of behavior and you come House of Folk. Who did my team criticize House of Folk? About any do whatever. Who did my team criticize House of Folk? About young criticize you. I don't know. Are you God? Now nobody can criticize you. Who criticize us? Who you criticism? We are raising critique, and it is legitimate.
And I don't come on, no, you know, it's a Christian Mr. Professor Marcus, you know, it's a crowd, what's your body fool? Super about trainer and grafone trainer, amputee for no, yes, Richard, about now, only sir, over the weekend, Ghana amputee national team, no, want to make Tebris team, no, it is show my betty, so Brepam team na Maza. Enyezi amutombo aseko pimo Tanzania during tap so na Africa Cup of Nations no yes amputi final no na motivation Libya 3 goes to 2 animo ana Richard ono ye captain eremabo ko adini amputi papa ndi abetu just yes obesre omampeni trophy no maje papa into obesre kwambi so mbeye ya omunye na omutumi amboa amputi team no mfa trophy no emfambre o my Ghana na omunkoko hozo
Cap where you winning, you just sponsorship and fee or my Ghana, but a man Ghana property. Yes, you did to Muse. Yeah, sacrifice the amount of Mangana once and for all. Where on the international level and continental level, or Mangana Franca Abekosro. Usha a winning cap where Tanzania Ubia or Mangana Danan, Ubia or Mangana Danan. You know, yes or no. Your contribution, Ebeye, Ediama or Mangana, Kakaya, one Ayaya more Mangana, and it's Obibia say trophy in the a crying here, but yetumi di Ghana na ye present Ghana property man Ghana or Ghana mine na especially President Nana Akufo-Addo. He say odo sports pa and also no bibia ye was sports mono otia otumi boa ka American wo ho no say nana eja wo umba se oti yenka ye nifi kaka ye wo na ya boa no dia hye woman ni na sa trophy we woni Ghana any Ghana mine na property see ye wie ejuma it's time say ye be present cap no to Ghana mine any nana wo see ano ye ticket ye no etwa no from Turkey to Tanzania from Tanzania to Turkey meni o kasa see ano say oman no emboa ye na ye nya ticket na ye be present or money property ma or mine no na return it back to Turkey na yenko hazel for your friend is your daily bread and na ye plead
no yes Richard opente wano na captain wa na ne kakwa na say Richard da ye de masa team na boduma papa also bo players na mudi team no edi sim na so ekoi akoji trophy bo mo kakra na etiefonte players many players ben
starting from me Senior American, I did the Richard Arthur Opento, Ghana captain, Benadodu, and Yusuf Yaya, Fuseni Idi, Richard Ekwam, or players in our just goalkeeper back from Pen of Ghana be joining, and Mubarak Mohammed, Hamza Mohammed, you're coaching or the Richard Stephen Obin, yes, official name. Me assistant captain, Esanko, Utumi joining, but oh yes, when your ticket, or not your friend Francis Mchida Kwanka, so joining your friend is Tanzania. Boys are when you see us so no your friends enimbre 1 o'clock Sunday Nimfane Sanapa Monday anapa 1 o'clock adie bechino and a flight no sana to take no you know say ye be won bibi at enimwe and they say in term na ebia say be fit Tanzania straight na ya bagana na ye be present cabro mama na ye did ebia one day pe na ya return it back to take it back akoto aye juma no so anke be
yes, it's no Richard Opete wano ere captain mamo and you for Champions League kai sero so say gimba kwa mafu eni bedi echire pa bobo kwa den AC Milan omane Liverpool in terms of game na mafu bedi echire pa you know the finest also go there you are not on air so if you see it's outside at you see the finest na Kwame Parry. Yes, yes. Obabe take you over. No, you might just say, is it 26 in your back when fano?
26.
You know, Urefi.
Oh, your Thanksgiving.
26 is Thanksgiving. Okay. And not 25 in here.
25 in our program won't cry. Nyampa,
Sunday Mako.
Night with the Stars.
I'll go. I'll
official MC.
I know. Are you? I saw you doing something at the back here.
Oh, yes. Next time, yes, and you say heavy.
Yes.
na me wa tiate do be chi say ya be heavy
super blue
and 20 seat no so eja dus ba.
And that's what I was asking about.
Eno ya nwumere no.
Eno ya nwumere no.
Yes. But 20 feet no there na me unse.
No, but yes, yeah.
Eno ya night with the stars.
Okay.
Will
you send me? I'll go explore it.
Oh no, I'll go with you. I'll go with you and Nana Kwame.
Oh, that AK. Let's remove AK from the list.
There be my
that's
I mean no idea be
okay. I the finance. It's my first the writer commentator but you best say drive it for no speed no muntu ombo say overtake anyway no mo very careful bro nya ba o ko because say we afema ye na akofa because me too with my sad but also the power no be you win yeah you know the writer commentator and some the doors we bobo and say Pythagoras story ne James Sesuka to it's bro Santi cooperation in the Pelimcotiasis in the stories yes and buying na hene AK and the bomb them say producer now Kwame Perry the finest Etiazo
that's it. Answer na Samre Medi Okuman Court Babylon no. Time check in our studio once again is Zali 15 after 5. Yeah, it's my song. Make y'all know. Oh, yeah, me about my set of things. Mountain man, no wappy. Send me one, I'm a go met you. Need a new city. Send me one on a no. Make y'all know. Oh, yeah, me about my set of things. Marvin, I know, Abbey. Send me one, I'm a go met you. Need a new city. Send me one on a no. Me do ni na bemao oima. Me do ni na bemao oima. Go na yemi do. And action is live on Facebook Live for Okuma Radio 97.1. Who call YouTube by Okuma Radio 97.1. After Instagram, Twitter, at Okuma 971. We are transmitting live from Berry Machumi Memorial House at Kropone Kapem. Mama, I'm on for the super. Right opposite a Parliament spot. A hot and assembly you butu. And you jagum south where the bow. Now we are no yummy do, mama. Yummy do. Come dance with me. Come up on your feet. Oh, honey, come up on your yada. Chami, Nana. I want some more money. Yeah. Enya ni tipen kura no hwan. Mama me. Midi. No go ya, Ibo ni sumo. Agele. no boy I even is mabo alele kesik pami de keno tegumi ni magbo kesik pami de keno tegumi ni magbo no boy I even is mabo alele no boy I even is mabo alele kesik pami de keno tegumi ni magbo kesik pami de keno tegumi ni magbo. Oh my God. Hima. Na ebusia Ejapaya Construction and General Merchant in 24/7 chiao. Na me ma akwa basroko. Na me chira Rumble style. Okay.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Na ebusia Ejapaya Construction and General Merchant in 24/7 chiao. Na minkanjo sampa sambre wupe eye quarry blocks 5 inches and 6 inches. Anwea 5 inches and 6 inches. Hollow blocks 5 inches and 6 inches. Afechi eba anwea sa wupe no ewo tipem. Anasa wupe no track mu. Rhino. Abushia abo sa open work here mu iron rush ana ensure binding wires and assembly wupe bi atwa Ejapaya Construction and General Merchant crowd say somebody on beboa na wosu watimi akukuru wodan no simple kra Abushia wasan wa live band bio na tie sa we party engagement ye na wo here Ejapaya live band na wo dey do dwuma Frenam see 0244 719814 0244 719814 Ejapaya Construction and General Merchant so I crowd so beboa ama wo dan sie na ememremre kayo wo dew wo ben filling station no e hope na Ejapaya Construction and General Merchant wo Ejapaya Construction and General Merchant na o se adansifo nyina adamfo Abusha Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System 24/7 chiao. Na mimi sasa weekend ni chale miniano dia ekoso weekend way. Wedding and answer party engagement. Chumedi bia wudi bia no. Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System aye crowd so mbeboa. Ye hia no so bebo modi ade wani a chep man fie kwapin wo bebe bia Everflow for Gigi susu no. Eba sound system, light system, canopy enkonwa and afa tables ahodo afa stage ahodo ya didi dwuma ma ne ye fe 0275 042594 0275 042594 and 0540 790012 Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System aso be ma dwumadie no ayekiko na weekend we enkrofo be ware enkrofo so afọ mo ho adwen atalanku pa epe baby asambere o ma ho ofa betimi asipi asita tie eye F2 Bridal Collection Service eba bridal fan any bibia for bridal ho set makeup ana se de na wo hwehwe ama wa ho ofa na timi asipi asita e de ama engagement ne wedding no bomadi afa kodan F2 Bridal Collection Service F2 Training Institutes and so ho Me no ka so mo ye intensive training. Our bridal fan fascinator, balloon decoration. Na ebushani yan say we JHS ana SHS. Ana say mpo we housewife ana we adwuma bi na condo so be hwehwe asane me. Me che bridal fan fascinator, balloon decoration. Wo be so hwehwe a simple. A 100 Ghana cedi pe. Ebe ma materials a wo de be hwehwe. Afi manual ne certificate. Down payment in 50 Ghana cedi and sawa share. Na kai say training ebe sha say 11 December 2021. For F2 Ventures, our 059-527-3783. 059-527-3783. Yawa Mandala Market, a couple equipment. A honum pair opposite. And assembly F2 Bridal Collection, yawa. Any beddings also, na somebody. One who offering Timmy Sippy, now also. Makeup adwuma no wonso kwadrado radio Abuja Peace Montessori Penny for some country sampa enkwala na be makwan na enkwala yi be makwan ehu hia sa abuja bebo modia high school fofora wo de obey be ko esane se results no eni akwala no sampa ne kanko e wa akire eye Peace Montessori na make am for dia mo good access road. Well, conducive environment for studies. Classrooms, area blocks, and also very spacious. Teachers in Sunni within to one side. Na ufa shoe fabric quantum pornoswa. Metre Hostel Junction. Shoe fabric quantum pornoso. Osabeka Peace Montessori ho. I will share from 050-5829-261 and 020-0177-676 and 0279-267523. Peace Montessori. I say one teacher, 12 students. Na Mangrove Restaurant and Event Center, Ebo Modian Kane ho a 3rd December. Friday, Chemi. Omo Madofo Philippa with one of the best international bands. Na eye efia da enim on the 10th December 2021, 7 p.m. sharp. Eye wuta a free year. Na special prizes packages. Ewo ho edima obi biara assembly. Yawu November. Na nyame adomoda so ti ase. Africa say we local and continental dishes at Mangrove Restaurant and Event Center. So we pass our birthday party, engagement reception, wedding reception. Parties are who nyina. There was special grounds me assembly a ekuta conducive environment. Ni ekumi kra ne say assembly. Adwuma kase ne nketo mo pesa mo ye mo corporate meetings, corporate events. Mo for money check Mangrove Restaurant and Event Center. Wo Mampon Ekwapem, Anglican Town, Police Station Quantum Pone Super. Ubetimi from 0243-277-576. And to weekend way, whoop baby, a boss baby, a Sunday, and Yumpa Ekwagu. A one in Mangrove Restaurant and Event Center. Absha Kayosa Wednesday. Any Friday bia amubo jazz from Kopa at the Mobia. It's a place with a class. Mangrove Restaurant and Event Center. Ewo Mampon Ekwapem. Be there and enjoy yourself to your satisfaction. Don Pablo Papum Penny for Seminchiao. Na bushami mama de yanka say her shakes emugu ahodo. Ya wo shakes ahodo nyina. Ni anka wutwa kwansin ekọ mia bebere koto no ene ye de bia pe wo so ana ye de bia bedan wo ha because ye de bia bedan wo ana ye de bia betwa wo akropon atwapem me tra Manila Junction ne Christ Junction me no ka say banana shake, mango shake, Snow White shake, carrot and mango shake, carrot and banana shake, Miss Fruit shake. Na mamichia Miss Pablo Mrs. Pablo Michia baby awobia Virgin Snow White shake. Na kai say your wine shop. No wines are who nyina ya wobi. Both a local and continental. And our foreign wines. Bomadi also be free a Don Pablo was 0557-734-882 and 0552-302607. Don Pablo Pap. I say Bomadi Abra. Na wonso beju shakes ahodo. Show Froslati. Oh, what a lovely show. By all standard, by Definers. Good evening, boss. I really love your program, pa. Okuma number 1. Piao. Thank you.
Baby, you know everything I do for you. You know everything I say for you. So come hold my belly, 'cause you my only belly. So come hold my belly, 'cause you my only belly. I'll break your heart if you love me. I'll ride your boat if you love me. Come hold my belly.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
What's the make up for new? Oh, I'm around me bringing now, coming new. Yeah, because able to maybe I'm in my new. Oh, I'm fair about this thing. I saw about this thing. Been to me new tonight, making me cow, making me support, making me car. Damn me like mommy. Been to me new tonight, making me cow, making me support, making me car. Damn me like mommy.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio. Jenny, the crowd will play. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1. 97.1.
Yeah, time check once again is exactly 41 after 5. As I said, me bomodia. Namidi Okuma call Teddy bro. Barbaminchia edukromai. Naminchia edukrom ojra planning committee. Sa mohoya die. Nyampa from 25th right down to 2nd January 2022. Edukrom ojrane beba so gidi ba. Watch out. Now, our media partners in your command 97.1 radio will be parrying in everywhere. What do you say? Me mo akwaba. Na me bisa bedwafo sa mo to say. Mo ya de.
Nyame ne hene. Ai, Yakopon. Anu ani di hene ti nyame o hirawa. Na so wa ma unsa na so. Yeah. Syncopational addidim.
Okay.
Yeah.
Specialty.
Yeah, syncopational addidim.
Thank you. Thank you. And Oima, let's say. As a man si wo mu fi o.
Obaba mane na me ba.
Obaba mane.
Na mi wi abeka che me se ma be
bu. Me nka hungu mani mu ase ye. Hungu mani mu ase. Nye da bia na be gu mani mu ase. Yeah.
Pacho asem ni nyina ni. Me ni abrantie fefefe ene wo ho.
Mo.
Na ya wo ho ache over 3 years ena ye remu.
Mo.
Na wenya kwan amache se oba bekwa abrochire.
Mo.
Na ya wo ho ache na minim se bi oba me ho ade ansanwakọ. Na emom obekọ no. O si opese oni minyinsen ansanwakọ. Se ne ebe ya
mekwa boni bi ankosi wa chire.
Ena nka bo amane.
Oh, se me bo anu wa wi ntem.
O de to aso.
Showcase ndagbani o de kan wasem.
Let us ochra akanin na
akabe 2 weeks
aka na watch me nu pe
na okoko
abruchi ya no kwabruchire
ya me pini emane enne menyema ansa
me
je be ya me nko ware obi na so den na chese wo kwa won so nko ware obi na chese me akwala ne me
boni bi ani me ho mema de etimi hye ho so enti aka me na watch me nu pe krache me fie mu akwabruchire na me twetwe mu twa me no ti ne me judi oh and I'm say we dey ma me fa na menyinsen wansa na makọ because Ghana ha no
ujimi dimpo
ya utaye sa ho achew enti no o ma me ntwa
utaye de say we beja
no kwatra bridge yes
na obeba no na
obeba na se akira say na akoya abrante na nwum na mo bodi kan no ya gayo yesemo ui Batman oh for real no ma same yeah
na ale wonje wo yiri ni
chese wonji mi ndi
no wife to be no wonye ni
o te kwa so for preach kire say emfa woni nto ehunam so
right abushia we dey mo amaso ma ne eda o ene say samre mami we kira papa we one na papa na hye ne boso obeware na mu akwantu abam papa yi betu kwan akanefua
na otwemienu
pe na yese okwa abrochira ne sa ba o se mami enyem manansa wako
yes
ana mami ne so da bi wuntimi nyem ye kwatena abrochire na ko yese wukọ na wa ma bie we na ko ye bibie o
sika na me de be kwa abrochire no mentimi mfa nye ne ho ade sisia
2% wukọ na wo ba
yeah me ba ye na ma be ne ho ade
mami ma ye adofo mremu 055466 7755 0554667755 0554667755 mami misa se woni eye abayiwe ya obeti ase anase wonti ase ofrabo dike ni me ba cho ye froze na akasafi
me pato wo frame assignment dodo na frame father me kasafi begro
boko de father
eye boko tete ye adwuma wa ye come up to begro ha pa nya sem koto
ye da mase okoma ni no wagye so ofie pe honestly na wuni aba na abrantie se bibi se ya obema na ya na za o mane nye
akwa eye me pa de me hye man sana mako da tete ma na e ka no kro asa nti se wo hye na nyim na akwa on tin fa nyin se no nko ba bia nti me hwa na wa wo na tam na so na ma ba ma be no ho ade makwa adwuma ma be no ho ade
okay eti wo de woni abrantie yi adwe wo hu
yeah
meni ni adwe
nyim no
alright yo na ma ko ma me fa for wa homa no so 0554167755 ono de begro ochira o se ono de oni the boy ya adwe se ohwe na okay ma me fo bi wa ha odi she be ni
odi she na no yi ni
papa bi ohima na bibi aboko de
boko
okuma ni
ofie pe
odi she che wa adwe wa se mi o
person me visa the boy say why na yere no ho ade
Debbie
menya no ho ade sika mo be ho ade no ana me de ko bo bra wa buchi no nti ko esimi ya no ma be no ho ade
jonyi ani ti no pese o hye ne nyem ansa no ko no osuro onye ne yiri ne ni
nya tese wunje mi ni
nanti wo se u twa lo ko na wo se lo de pu na so ko twam
na no ye be say 0554667755 na no ye say
Ghana ha no what your ba no kura po no
okay
amafo defect ni
audition be ni
audition stanu
papa binesta kasafi kwamoso boko de oyima
na me adomo
okuma ni
kwatuma no
audition che wadwe wasemi o
me ne me sister ne dia Mary Mpre because the man could drive with you on a because the kind of vanity. Into man Mpene. Na me walk on
yo Martin medasi. All right. Summary my main for wa homa so 0554667755. Also no the on pre and on pre china 18 obi wa homa so ade shebe ni
osani
na osa ewo okugwa
ana
osa na bibia boko de
na me adom
minua okuma ni
if you
che wadwe wasemi o
mene obana kamempe so be man ko du aburu wa o hwo da na o hwo ma na kura wa ja de we be fi we no
na broje no e ma papa be no Ghana ha na papa no
0551667755 0551667755 adije be ni sister da ko awo eye amanfo wo adwuma yi opposite pe na bibi aboko de
na me adwo
okuma ni
ofie pe
ode cheche wadwe wasemi o
me ba sa me ne da boy nya agene ba ko se
se nya mama ba no na ma ya agene
nya mo da okwo bi abro tira okwo nya mere wa abro kuri bu ha obe yi ne kura so oni ne kura inti mo pere kura
yo
sister da ko anya mama ba no na ma ya agene abusu afo ina na me ya agene nti wo ne me ya agene a ense hwe
all right 0551667755 ade shebe ni Ukugwa your frozen. Esther Boko dear. Okuma ni. Chewadwe wasebi Mama Esther.
Oba mama name play. Because them no go do abotire ho oba kwa wale. Ndi mama name play.
Yo.
Me
say
mona mode apobone to the tize mama opene. Mona ya go apene. Omode apobone.
All right.
Odishebedi. Odishe mama Terry and you.
Papa bi mama Terry na ukasafi.
Bato me kasafi akropo. Ademi mu heya.
Me da say okuma ni.
Ofie pe.
Odishe wadwe wasemi o.
Yo, Mrs. Anne ya adwene papa. So be ma ne jeni dia, ene onye ne ho ade. So onye ni dia, na me ka che Mrs. Anne say, ma ne mpre.
Na me ye ne ho ade sika na me gba boche no.
Me da say 0554667755. 0554667755. Obi wa man. Odishe be ni.
Your friend Ella, they can say for Felicia.
Me pa choma one so kakra Ella, bibi aboko de. Na kofodu awo beto ma na say infa.
No Kole.
Kole, okay. Kole for encho madwe wasemi o.
Make us stand so one because some is many boy we know ho no. Also kwa bridge ba, we feel by am you share me po. It's man impende.
Yo.
Also one boy be we dey me ya.
Ella me da say.
Ella also one boy be we dey me ya. Your friend pa me boy your friend say
67755. Ozi.
But also one boy be me your friend kwa me da ko. Boy your friend say. Asumi no so no na mama tell you anso. Na di ne ho ya. Na sika me kwa bridge me fa yo ba ho ade.
Audition
be royal wedding.
Hello, audition be ni.
Audition mi no chua.
Oh, mi no chua papa bi, mi no chua na bibi aboko de.
Adom na mpacha mo so mo tre.
Me na nyame adom okoma ni.
Ofie pe.
Me na chewadwe wasemi o abayi wanya na mema ne nye.
Adi we de eya bie na bie ngo. Me be atere ma adwene ne se. Obene man aduma no kwa kope we ska we nya ska dia be ye ne ho ade. Enti oba no nso sa no nso be enti me de ni wo nyina afa. Me atere ma adwene. Awon be ni.
Eye kura se woni obi afa.
Yo, ma ati mi no
Utirimu fine aban chew. Eye se woni obi afa. Abi kwa ko ye djuma manya sika.
Okona akodi nkrata se mechi ko ware na ye ne den.
Audition salonio.
Papa bi amono chrome hima ba akopɛ na me de hye bibi abɔkɔ de.
Ejana dom bibi abɔkɔ.
Salo. Hello. Salo.
Yes.
Salo entimi nyina so. Number ne 055 1667755. Audition be ni.
But audition mantine kase.
Mante kasafi.
O pariti ate propon.
Me da say. Chewadwe wasemi o.
Mbawcho letini say so berman o jeni lindi pa. Enka onka si o nini benyem ansa na wako. Na o ko isi na asase mi ko sina so wenti ma be mana o ye ne dey. That's how the horn out of Bian and Ebusian Fosso. In Pacha Metalobia Nechi.
Yo, Martin Medas, what are Nechi? They are not day.
One way, and yet 9 months, no. Me do 9 months, they can go 1 year. Oh, it's 2 years. Yes, but you have a 1 year.
Audition Beni.
Audition Salonio.
Papa be, I ma na one Gusua, a Wokasa, a try, Casa, Nacha Wajo.
Sister, and now on penny. Ese sebra no kosia obronia brewa bia wakwa wan na kokese pipet nti mo mpene kwa no we ja na ti haram no se nenam ho saa mikunu abochi so no nenam ho no wa ye konongo ka ye obema no nsoa o mo bi nsoa nti sisa no mo nye
Ona oche ni padro mbani. Otimo odin. Odi timo odin ba konongo kan akwa konongo da. Konongo kan mo nso ade da.
Audition be ni. Hello.
Ana kwame.
Eja kwam tela bibi aboko osi na junction there.
Eyo ajana domo bibi aboko.
Champion tela okoma ni.
Akwa fama ya no.
Audition che wadwe wasemi o.
Yo, me ni and the boy na asam no yanti ni ye asam no si o woni ne wo ho wogini bi no ne wo ho mo tra ache na o so ti se chance aba o kwa buti Think about ya, o man in you and young and son of Unqua. Did you say Bolivian? Uncle Boko Konguabusian, which is the minimum by the war. Natina Bani, Intino, Meruko. No, I said him no call Baba Warren, the one in Surupa.
Yo, Galagram, the Coco, the Bini, on your master. On your master.
My main for my last caller, now me for preferring NC. We are my last caller, you're frozen, and Akasafi.
The fire wait for Safari.
Oh, Safari for what to say.
You have to be able to.
Tio, come on, you.
Of your pair.
Medisha, why you are Semio.
Master me about Zayana, Oma, Beman, and Wadians, because Beman, when Pabueno, Oma, why
the Pabani is a.
Oma, one beauty on one proconson.
Yo, but
so, I guess I'm a fellow. Anka Mishawa Nema no bayano. That me and one day me Pabani. We say we go as well the my accountants. You me and I one day.
Oh yeah, my last call. I frozen and Agasafi.
Come room, Casafi Chakrotia.
Chakrotia for Choma Semio.
And the boy in the Timmy at them. Mabaro.
Also the mente.
Also Timmy at them.
I don't know why the answer now on them.
Yes, I say.
Mate, yo, me da say. Abusha.
Uti yes, I say. Uti bitu wede no uti yes, I say.
The boy be kunipo.
Me kunipa say. Kwa me obese dam pare beche. Me kunipa say. Adam ye ndi ami.
Me dia frafo ni nyina abesi ye ne. Sania, minya ba. O ma tu fui.
Obwa. Anyume ya manyemo.
I was here from it. I call me Perry. Wait till we are from the fighters. The man you know catch you anyway. I said I can see Nkoma Mabua for Victor Hineda. Could list one and now Damia. Brass Sammy, aka DJ Donzi. DJ Zigibi. And if you want to Nana Kwame and Ponsa, Nate Writer, and in Nana Korea, some response update in every Namia money at Asoti Akai. Say Echina a midweek. You know Besabe or Casafide. So once again, for Odo and Nanti, oh baby, I will be. I am out like that.